Hello, and welcome back to Wiser Together. This is part 5 of the meditation series. In this video, I give you 5 simple and easy meditation tips for beginners to help you get started, and also give you one last bonus tip. So watch till the end. We're going to focus on an interoceptive meditation techniques, sitting, eyes closed, focusing on our breath. But before we start, please support us and subscribe to this channel. So, tip number 1. Meditation is all about comfort. So find a place that is calm, quiet, peaceful, and comfortable and has no distractions. Tip number 2. Make sure your spine is erect. Otherwise, you'll fall asleep. Find a sitting position that is comfortable for you. That could be against a wall, on a chair, sitting in a lotus position, using 1, 2, or 3, or however many pillows or cushions you want to support your hips or back. It's all about being comfortable. Tip number 3, how to use the anchor to the best of your advantage. Using your breath as an anchor, where you're being aware of your breathing in, breathing out, and then as your mind wanders, you come back to your breath and you regulate your breath. This will help you be more aware and it will help you be more focused of your anchor. Tip number 4, how long you should do it. Remember, it's a practice. So the more you do it, the better you get at it. Whatever that time is, as long as you can do it consistently, it will bring you benefits. Anywhere from 5 to 15 minute range, in my opinion, can bring you a lot of the benefits. Tip number 5, when should you meditate? Meditation can be done under any circumstances, at any place, at any time. But since this video is for beginners, the idea is to make practice as simple and easy as possible, so eventually it becomes a habit. For most people, find it easier to meditate in mornings. But don't worry if this does not fit in your lifestyle and you prefer meditating sometime during the afternoon or in the evening or before you go to sleep. That's perfectly fine as well. Now the bonus tip. It is ideal to meditate on an empty stomach. This is because your digestive system isn't spending tons and tons of energy to digest that big bowl of pasta you just ate. Attention requires energy, and the more energy you have at your disposal, the easier your practice will be. Therefore, it is not recommended to meditate after eating a big meal. Please try meditating using these tips and let us know in the comments below how your experience was. Please support us by subscribing to this channel, and we'll see you in the next one.